Hey everybody. Yep, and it's true. I'm coming at you from Sweden. I have happily been here since around February. I actually debated with my team members whether or not I should try and speak Swedish at the start. Not totally comfortable with that. They said, maybe you should try a Swedish accent. I just wanted to demonstrate something that is new on the view clips from 11.0. I had some difficulties with my CD, so I'm running in a slightly different version, but should have the same principles. So I'm starting out here with a drawing with, totally realistic, massive room, tons of tables, nothing else in it. But I wanted to just demonstrate the principles of this. You can now switch what exactly is black and white in your 2D view. The way you do that, you can control it by selecting your 2D view, and in the upper left, you would select black and white under Configure. So Configure meaning this is what you're controlling. And so I'll show here. You can select different categories from your drawing, and by hiding, this is the way I used to remember it, we're hiding the black and white effect. So by hiding on work surfaces, we're allowing the work surface colors to show.
That's the Swedish flag, isn't it? Is it? Sorta.
Do I have some line?
I see a bit of I see the shape of it, kind of. Love it.
Okay. Oh, the Swedish flag. I thought you said lag. I was like, am I
No,
lagging?
no, the
Is
Swedish
there
flag.
some? Yep. So yeah, if we actually hide the black and white on, let me make sure I'm doing this right. If we, I'm gonna just go ahead and remove the black and white so you can see. And we do have the Swedish flag going on.
So you did that with part tagging.
I want to demonstrate. I didn't do that part with part tag. I'll show that in a second here. So I'm actually going to bring this back, hide black and white on the work surfaces. And actually, I think I might have the carpet showing over the top of something. So let me hide that real quick. One second. There we go. Okay. So the other thing that's super cool that we can now do in 11.0 is show the part tag colors. And if I show the part tag colors, it only works on items that have a fill. So you see the work surfaces are filled in there, and the black and white does override that. So you may need to do some extra configuration to make sure that the part tag colors are showing on those objects. But if we do show part tag colors, you'll see I tagged these specially. So certain tables were tagged with white, certain tables tagged with black, the others with blue and orange.
That is so awesome.
Yeah, so there's plenty of new tricks that you can do with the view clips. If you have any questions about how to control that, I can show you. You can even filter which tags are being highlighted. So you see, control over if you want to say, oh, I only want to show things that I've tagged with blue. So where you could use that is if you have maybe a specific private office that you want to highlight that you've tagged a certain way, you can have it only override the colors with that tag.
That is so sweet. The comments are super enjoying that functionality as well. Good for you. Holy cow, that's so cool.
All right. Well, yeah, if you have any questions, you know who to reach out to. I'm still working support, so my time zone, I'm not on the whole day, but we have plenty of other amazing support representatives that can help you out.
Before you leave us, Curtis, tell us your favorite thing about Sweden.
Oh man, um, I'm a pizza lover, and this is something that always comes up when people ask me, like, "What do you like there? What do you love?" They have this amazing pizza called kebab pizza, and it's like kind of hard to describe, but it's like a spicy Euro sauce on Euro meat on a pizza. It
Oh
is
my
amazing.
god, that sounds really good. All right, all of us
So
over
I'd
to
be doing
Sweden for
this
pizza. We'll see you
exactly.
there, Curtis.
All right, sounds good. Thanks again for having
Well,
me,
Curtis is
and enjoy the rest.
going to be joining us for the next day as well. So, for more tips and tricks. So, you're not done with Curtis yet. Don't worry, he'll be back. But thank you so much for joining us, Curtis. Have a fab rest of your evening.
Thank you. Yep. Getting late here. Have a good afternoon.
Bye.